In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple objects into a single editable mesh using the Connect object in Cinema 4D. We'll start by grouping your objects so they act as one. In your Object Manager, make sure all the pieces you want to merge are visible and organized. Create a new Connect generator by pressing and holding the subdivision surface icon in the toolbar, then choosing Connect from the palette. This generator will temporarily bundle everything together. Now select all of your separate objects and drag them so they become children of the new Connect object in the Object Manager. You should see the Connect object at the top with your parts nested underneath. This setup keeps things non-destructive for now, meaning nothing is permanently changed yet, and you can still adjust the original pieces if needed. Next, let's configure the Connect object so it actually fuses nearby points. Click the Connect object to select it. In the Attribute Manager, go to the Object tab and enable Weld. This tells Cinema 4D to automatically join points that sit within a defined distance of each other, closing seams and preventing overlapping surfaces. Right below that, adjust the tolerance value. Think of tolerance as the maximum distance between points that will be welded. Start small and increase gradually. If the value is too low, some edges might stay separated. If it's too high, you might unintentionally merge details you want to keep. Use the viewport to check for gaps or shading issues as you tweak, and aim for the lowest value that fully closes the seams. Once it looks right, it's time to make everything permanent. Select the Connect object and click. Make Editable on the main toolbar. This converts your live setup into a single polygon object with a unified mesh. You'll see a new polygon object created. You can pull it out of the Connect hierarchy so it sits on its own, then delete the original Connect generator if you no longer need the live version. At this point, the geometry is baked, which makes it easier to perform cleanup, UV work, or export. Consider renaming your new object clearly and saving a version before this conversion so you can go back if you ever need to adjust the original parts. That's it. Group with Connect, enable Weld and set tolerance, then make it editable to finalize. With these steps, you'll turn multiple pieces into one clean, workable mesh in just a few clicks.